Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Prem Sagar FinLit. Today, we will talk about Crypto Simplified, where we cut through the noise and explain crypto in plain English. No hype, no jargon, just the facts. In this video, we'll answer to basic questions: what is cryptocurrency? And what the heck is blockchain? Let's break it down. Think of cryptocurrency as digital money, like the cash in your wallet, but completely online and not controlled by a bank or government. The most famous example? Bitcoin. Others you've probably heard of are Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. But here's the twist: unlike your bank's money, crypto isn't stored in one place. It's decentralized, meaning no single company or authority controls it. Now let's talk about blockchain, the tech that makes cryptocurrency possible. Imagine a notebook that everyone in the world can see, but no one can erase. Every time a transaction happens, like you send Bitcoin to a friend, it gets written in this notebook. That's the blockchain. Each page of the notebook is called a block, and once it's full, it's sealed and linked to the next one, like a chain. Hence, blockchain. This system keeps things transparent and secure, without needing a middleman like a bank. Why does all this matter? Well, crypto gives people more control over their money, especially in countries where banks aren't reliable. It's also opened the door to new ideas, like smart contracts, NFTs, and even decentralized finance, or DeFi. But, and this is important, crypto is still new and risky. Prices can swing wildly. Scams are real. And it's not regulated like traditional finance. So the bottom line? Crypto and blockchain are powerful technologies, but they're not magic. Learn, question, and always do your own research. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.